Good morning, guys. It is Friday morning and we just finished another killer install on a 2025 Audi S6. This vehicle got a Uniden R9W Extreme, which is a laser jammer and radar detector custom installed all into one. Super discreet installation. If you take a look at the front grille, you almost can't even find anything unless you know what you're looking for. Let's get a little bit closer. We got one laser shifter there, one over here, and one down at the bottom. Push back just enough to still work and do its job exactly as it's supposed to, but also keeping it very discreet and hidden into the grille so it's not extremely noticeable, doesn't make any eyesores. Let's take a look at the rear here. We have two shifters on the rear. So if you take a look right up there, you can see the one right to the right side, even distance apart, is the second one. If you guys don't like speeding tickets and you got a fast car, even an everyday driver, something that you're on the freeway with very often, these can be a great option to help tell you when the police are present before you even see them or before they see you. Come check out Carisma Customs.